Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I hope you all are well. As you know, previously I did started letters practice, so I am writing letters practice today in front of you. You can see how to write dal. First of all, I draw 3 dots and then I started dal, and now I am writing re. Look at carefully and observe carefully that how the pen, how the Qalam is held, how to hold Qalam and how to dip Qalam, how to write re. Our today's Sul's lesson, I am writing dal, re and seen. There are 3 types of re. This is second type of re I am writing now. You can see it's a bit different. And now it's third type of re. So while we do any composition of any calligraphic Quranic ayat, like in circle shape or in rectangle shape, we use these type of re, different type of re according to the space, and we measure the letters with the dots. You can see carefully, and I hope you will learn these letters, how to write dal, how to write re, and how to write letter seen in Sul script. I wish you good luck. Inshallah, we'll meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.